What is up, guys? Your boy Mo Kadra. Today, I have a complaint today. Like, if any of you guys know what this problem is, please help. I try everything like YouTube said. I went online. Like, I tried it 5, 6 times. So the game is the problem is the installation stops on Black Ops 3. I know I just bought Black Ops 3 even though like it's 2016 right now. It's June, beginning of summer. So it's pretty late, kinda. I don't know. So, but I want to play it because I've been playing it at my friend's house lately, and so it's like it says installate. Look, it says like installation stopped every time I download. Like gets up to 3. Alright, it says check your disk might be damaged. Try cleaning it. Alright. It never said that, but my disk is pretty clean. I just bought it. I'll be honest. Does that look clean to you guys? See right here. So I'm gonna hope for it. So if you guys know what this is, this installation stopped on my Black Ops 3. Please help. Just comment on the video what to do, or I don't know. Yeah, it says installing on 3%. It stopped at 3%. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.